Master the art of choosing the correct conditional. Hello language enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting video. Today, we're going to learn about a very important topic in English grammar, the choosing the correct conditional in conditional sentences. Understanding how to choose the right conditional can drastically improve both your written and spoken English, so let's get started. To begin, let's quickly recap the three main types of conditional sentences in English. 1. First conditional, used for real or possible situations in the future. Structure: if plus present simple, will plus infinitive. Example: if it rains, I will stay at home. 2. Second conditional, used to talk about unreal or improbable situations. Structure: if plus past simple, would plus infinitive. Example: if I won the lottery, I would travel the world. 3. Third conditional, used to express regret or to imagine a different past. Structure: if plus past perfect, would have plus past participle. Example: if I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. Now that we've refreshed our memory, let's see how we can choose the correct conditional for our sentences. The key to choosing the correct conditional is understanding the context and the intended meaning of the sentence. First conditional is used when the result of the condition is likely or possible. Think of it as something that could happen in the near future. Example: if you study hard, you will pass the exam. The speaker believes that the person is likely to study hard, and therefore pass the exam. Second conditional is used when you want to imagine a situation or describe something that is unlikely or impossible to happen. Example: if I were rich, I would buy a yacht. The speaker is not rich, so the idea of buying a yacht is purely hypothetical. Third conditional is used when you are talking about the past and want to express regret or speculate about what could have happened. Example: if I had remembered her birthday, I would have bought her a present. The speaker forgot the birthday and is expressing regret. The best way to become a pro at choosing the right conditional is practice. Start by writing your own sentences for each conditional. Remember, focus on the context and the meaning you want to convey. Ask yourself, am I talking about a real, probable future, first conditional, a hypothetical situation, second conditional, or a past regret, third conditional? And that's a wrap. Choosing the correct conditional may seem daunting at first, but with a clear understanding of the context and meaning, and a bit of practice, you'll master it in no time. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Remember, English is a journey, not a destination. Happy learning!